explain to you. This is what VigorouslyGaming's brother sounds like. Look at this. He's obsessed over this game now.
Press the square button around him. Press the square button when you're near him.
This is VigorouslyGaming.
Square.
This is how his life goes.
Press square. Press square.
Press square.
Oh my god!
Kill me.
I lost him! Bad.
Guys, this is what this dude sounds like in real life. If you always want to see him, this is him. This is what he looks like. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing to this poor, innocent person. He turned him into a monster. A killer machine. Oh god.
Smoking. Oh, okay, he's down.
Okay, I'm gonna see what I'm just gonna record the screen and see what he does.
Oh, this guy has a bat. Wanna fight, dog?
This is what they do.
This guy has a bat.
This is what he loves to do.
I wanna fight, bro. I wanna fight him. Come here. Y'all waving y'all's bats? Let's go, boy.
Oh, go. So let's record. Cover your face. So, let's do the thing. VigorouslyGaming, do the thing. Oh god. Oh my god.
What thing?
You know, what's life anymore? I'm just gonna kill myself.
Let's go, boy.
There's no books in here. That means you hit the lesbian stuff. Where's the lesbian? Where is it? Where are they?
Oh, something's about to go down.
That's not lesbian.
No
It's not
smoking.
lesbian.
Oh no, that is lesbian. Not yet.
Oh my god, this is like Batman Arkham
Here's
City.
a quick fresh up of this lesbian video. So y'all see
Why did you
this?
say Batman Arkham City?
Because he was punching everybody.
Y'all see this? Yeah, this is part of it. Look at this. One Piece. Books I always read. Back when we was in 6th grade. This is how we became friends. We became friends because of manga.
I don't know where my tablet went. That's great.
You know where the tablet's at. You see this, guys? He's obsessed. Where's the pillow? Where's the pillow? Look at this pillow. I bet they was using this pillow to hump on.
My brother was.
No wonder. See this? I bet he was looking at this.
Oh!
And this. And especially this.
No.